That's today's journey right there.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Watch your hands, sir.
Oh, yes. Okay, follow her, please.
That one's beautiful.
Oh, it's the balcony. There we go. That's not too bad. This is how the pros do it.
Oh.
The main ship was where we slept, ate, and gathered for happy hour and karaoke, but it mostly stayed anchored. Each day, a smaller boat carried us out to the Pearl Farm, the caves, and Viet Hải Village on Cát Bà Island.
Right.
Fishing village.
That's us. First stop. I had a pocket back here. Hey, how you guys doing? We're in Vietnam. Ha Long Bay. And we're gonna go take a little raft, wooden boat ride to go see some caves. Yeah, there we go. All right. We got the captain.
Wow.
Oh,
Okay.
captain. All right, and captive. We're captive. Hey.
Yeah.
All right.
Thế đợt này chắc là bạn nguột đấy ra.
Windy. Wow. It's a beautiful cave. Whoa, look at your head. Look at that one. Yeah. Ooh. Having fun in Vietnam. Ha Long Bay.
Okay, I'm filming. That's it, Peter. You're doing great.
Yeah.
Put a little muscle into it. Put a little back into
You
it.
guys are doing great.
Don't splash me. He paid cash. This is supposed to be the Pirates Club right here.
It is. But I thought Katarina was coming with us.
The water. And you can. We'll put this material.
So you don't eat any of these pearls?
Moderation is the key if you're standing in place with the crowd.
Cycling through the village and sampling the local snake wine was probably the highlight of the entire cruise.
The important thing, we take the venom away because we're drinking this liquid leather. Yeah, and that is the reason if we have like a venom inside, we get poison.
Snake wine.
Anyway, everyone,
Snake wine.
welcome to the Vietnam 10-second 1, 2, 3, cheer. And the last one we say 2, 3, drink. Just like ring a bell, we just drink. Alright, so everyone, are you ready?
Yeah.
Just like that, that is the sound we want to hear from all of you for today. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, go! 2, 3, go! 2, 3, go! 2, 3, go! And jump and jump, everyone.
Okay.
Oh yeah, let's get an ice cream.
This one looks good. What kind do you want?
I think I want the chocolate.
Yeah, very solid. Yeah. As you can see from our balcony, room 205. There's some boats behind us, activities, and there's the beautiful mountains, Ha Long Bay, and we're heading back to Hanoi.
Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why ain't nothing but a big mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say.
So, was the longer cruise worth it? Absolutely. We had a full extra day of activities and enough time to actually settle in, while the one-night guests seemed to be leaving before they'd even unpacked.